Hey, in this video I will show you the 7 AI tools that will completely transform your content creation experience. Now I know your time is valuable, so let me assure you that investing just 5 minutes of your life in this video will be well worth it. Okay, first tool in this list is Descript. It is a software that converts text into audio. So to use this tool, first download the Descript software, create a new project, enter your text here, then choose the speaker and choose any of these voices. Now if we play the audio,
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Hi guys, please subscribe my channel.
you can see that text has been converted into audio. You can export the audio by clicking here. Number 2 is video.ai. So this is very interesting. You can change the long podcast videos into a short video. Sounds interesting. You can even add captions on your video. So you can open a short channel and upload the long podcast of other YouTubers into a short video or a reels. Or you can even change your long videos into shorts. Now let me tell you a very interesting tool.
What if I told you that you can change your voice to sound like any celebrity you like? You can even sound like Obama and make everyone go crazy.
Do you want to know which tool I used? It's called voice.ai. So to use this tool, first download the software. Now if you click here, you will get different celebrity voices. You can quickly see the preview of these voices and choose the one you want. And in the free version of this tool, you can use credit points. I have mentioned all these websites in the description. You can check it. Number 4 in this list is Video Busy Remover. Let's say you recorded a video without green screen and you want to change the background. So with the help of Video Busy Remover, you can change the background into any images you want. So first you have to create your account. Then if you upload a video here, you can see the background is completely removed. Once it is removed, you can see here it has many background images to choose. And you can also upload your own image. Cool. Now this tool is really helpful if your voice has background noises. Let me give you a demo. Hit like and press the bell icon. As you can see, my voice has background noises. Hit like and press the bell icon. And now with just one click, it is completely removed. To use this, just search Adobe Podcast and go to Voice Enhancement and upload your audio, and it will remove the noise and echo from your voice. Now I am talking about the favorite tool of everyone. Yes, ChatGPT. To use the ChatGPT, you should actually give a proper prompt to get your desired answers. Let's say you want to write a script for your YouTube videos. So I will write, create a script for my YouTube video on the topic best mic under $100. As you can see, it has generated a list of different mics. And yes, you will not get any copyright from anyone because these are unique scripts. You can ask any questions to ChatGPT like how to lose weight, should I do a job or YouTube, etc. Last tool in this list is very useful for us. Let's say you generated your script using ChatGPT and is struggling to create a video. Don't worry, Pictory.ai will do it for you. Pictory.ai is a tool that converts text into high quality video. After that, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. To do that, first click on Get Started, choose this option, enter your text. Now if you click on Proceed, our script has been converted into a video using AI visuals. You can play and see the preview of your video. If you go here, you will get different AI visuals which you can replace with any of these scenes. You can also upload your own visuals using My Upload. To make the video more interesting, you can go to Audio. You can use the background music and also your own voice. And it has some voices also. But I will recommend you to get monetized, use a good AI tool, as I am using Murf.ai, which is really a good tool and you can use it on any of your faceless YouTube channels. And I am also using it on my other faceless YouTube channels. And yes, it is very cheap compared to other voice generating website or tools.
It only takes one voice at the right pitch to start an avalanche.
When you're looking to train your employees, you want to make sure they have the right instruction.
Unwrap the rumpled golden cover to reveal a chocolatey treasure.
Lately, times have been tough.
Just click on the link in the description and join Murf.ai.